Today I will show you how to extract multiple investment opportunity listings from republic.com. No coding needed with Minexa.ai. Navigate to the republic.com page where investment listings are visible. Then, let Minexa handle the rest. Now, open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension from your toolbar to get started with scraping. Click the violet button that says I'm on the right page, so Minexa can analyze this republic.com page and find the investment listings. Minexa finished scanning and has automatically found the main investment listings on this page. Choose whether to scrape only the investment listings or include detail pages for more in-depth data. If filters or buttons must be clicked before showing listings, go to Advanced. Otherwise, continue straight to scraping. Minexa highlights the block containing your investment listings. Click Create Scraper, and it will analyze and extract data at scale. All data fields like investment name, amount raised, and campaign status are detected, staying accurate on every run. Developers can click API Request to get Python code with scraper ID and settings pre-filled for easy integration. Next, validate and complete your scraper configuration to prepare for data extraction. Minexa detected pagination automatically, so all pages of investment listings will be covered in future runs. Finally, schedule your job for regular updates and click Complete Setup to finish your scraper. The last step is to run your job. Click Run, and Minexa starts extracting investment data immediately. This deterministic extraction ensures the same input yields the same output every time. Typical data points include investment names, funding goals, and campaign progress. Click Export to get every scraped listing as a separate row with all fields neatly organized. No technical skills are needed for Minexa. Developers save time with no selector writing or pre-built catalogs. Anyone can extract data quickly and reliably.